Alright. I am no professional musician or producer of sort. I just want to show you how I write my songs. More or less, just retardedly. So first things first, let's make a beat. So for me, I kind of just pick any random chord, just kind of just do the thing and figure out the amps on. There we go. Once you get your beat, then you just kind of think on what you're gonna write your song about. It could be a lesson, a story, or a feeling. It could be anything, really. That rhymed. Anyways, the main places you want to be is somewhere nice and quiet if you want to think for, lyrical reasons, and yeah. For instance, like a beach. Oh, or a park, or anywhere. Especially a room is nice, pretty clean. As long as it's quiet, that's what you need. And then once you got your, idea and what you're gonna, sing about, is practically just sing along with your lyrics. Just go. Alright, so once you shot the dog and you have peace and quiet, you should be good. Now, what you want to do after you get your lyrics, well, you shouldn't have your lyrics, you just have your main idea of what you're going to sing about. And then you have your beat. What you want to do is just sing along to your beat and then, get any lyrics out of it. All these memories, I can hardly believe I'm stuck in my head, locked in it's only mine. Oh, it sucks just to be all fine. Yeah, you're gonna fail like a bunch of times. It's normal, easy. It's just don't judge it and just keep going. You are gonna get frustrated a lot. Not like ragey, just kind of shit. Saw myself off the day. Oh, I don't know where to go. Just go. Then after that, you rinse and repeat until you got a finished song. That's really all I got. First song, you're most likely not gonna like it. It's normal not to like your first song because it won't have that kind of beat to it, but don't try to make it perfect. If you like it and you think it's finished, go and post it if you want, or just keep it there or something. I don't know what you're gonna do with songs. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Hope you guys enjoyed that little dumb how-to tutorial kind of thing. It's not really, I'm not professional at this. I just want to show you just a little flex. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoy yourself and like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the vid.